Are you always waiting for your next pay raise, convinced that increasing your income will finally enable you to start building your wealth and shiny financial future? Well, then somebody needs to tell you this, and it's gonna be me. You're bullshitting yourself. Today, I want to talk about the myth that high income is the only way you can build your wealth. Data shows that 47% of Americans who earn more than $100,000 a year live paycheck by paycheck, not building wealth. So obviously, high income does not help build wealth automatically. Of course, it helps if you are able to earn a lot of money, but this is obviously not the only way. And since the next pay raise is not completely up to you, I also want to discuss how you can save money effectively even with moderate income. Finally, I want to briefly explain a couple of investment strategies that you can consider to build your wealth. And by the way, I'm Tanya and I've spent 15 years as a banking executive. So I've seen people from all income levels make financial mistakes or take the right steps. So I'm sharing these insights with you today so you can do the best things and avoid the bad. But I'm not going to do it alone. So meet Mark, Lisa, and Alex. They are going to help me explain my points today. Let me first introduce you to Mark. Mark is an example of people with substantial income who still lives paycheck to paycheck. He is a software engineer earning quite a lot of money, but his weaknesses are luxury cars and designer watches. His spending habits could make even the richest person blush. In fact, quite often, as income increases, people increase their spending to match their lifestyles to the increased income. So they may start spending on dining out more, buying new, bigger homes, or buying fancy cars. The thing is that these expenses erode the impact of increased income. The key is responsible spending. No matter how much you earn, if you don't spend responsibly, well, you're not building your financial wealth. And that shiny financial future that you expected from the increased income will just drive away in that new fancy sports car that you bought. So don't let your lifestyle inflation derail your financial goals. Now, let's talk about how you can save money effectively even if you're not a high roller. And for that, let's get to know Lisa a bit better. Lisa is a graphic designer and she's earning a modest income. She is far from pulling in six figures income every year, but she is a master at budgeting. And by saving diligently every month and investing it smartly, she was able to grow her emergency fund substantially and also invest wisely in low-cost index funds. Lisa's secret sauce? Smart saving. Instead of splurging on every fancy gadget, she stashes away her cash every month like clockwork, and this helps her build her financial future despite the moderate income. Now finally, let's briefly investigate some investment strategies you can use to grow your wealth. Let's talk about Alex. Alex is a school teacher and he's got some moderate income coming in every month. But instead of relying on his paycheck only, he decided to get savvy on investments. He understood the importance of diversification, meaning spreading your money across different asset classes to minimize your risk. He opted for low-cost index funds, which passively track market index such as S&P 500. This approach provides broad exposure to the market while keeping the fees minimal, making it a great option for long-term wealth building, even with smaller starting investments. Alex golden nugget: wise investing. Even if your income isn't breaking any records, you can still start investing small and see the way you can accumulate your wealth through the longer periods of time. Here I'm going to mention an app that I'm using for trading. And to give you full disclosure, this video is not sponsored by Trading 212, but still this is the app that I use, not only because it's very user-friendly, but it's also very beginner-friendly. It enables me to invest in small fractions of shares. So basically, I can invest $1 a day. And I don't need big amounts to start investing. So whatever amount that you have available, you can invest it easily via this app. And there's another thing that I love about it. It enables you to play around with a simulation of your trading on a separate account, so on a separate profile, where you play around like you would be investing, but you are not actually spending any money. So that you learn and understand how investing works and what would be the financial decisions that could work for you before you even start investing actual money into the market. So yeah, this is Trading 212. I love it. I'm posting a link in the video description below in case you want to check it out. So there you have it, folks. A high income can be a powerful tool in the wealth building toolkit, but it's not the only one. Whether you're a graphic designer, a software engineer, or a school teacher, responsible spending, smart saving, and wise investing can pave the way to financial success. Unfortunately, however, everything that I've explained today will only work for you if you make your money work for you. So jump to this video right here somewhere, which explains how you can do exactly that. I'll see you there. I'm cheering for you. Bye bye.